also at Myvatn Nature Baths. It's really warm this morning, but up here it's quite windy, so it should be quite nice. I've got a heat rash. Iceland's out of after sun.
Just listen to this.
So that's happened. The pharmacist said, we've not got any here, there's none in the city and Iceland's got a shortage. Thought I'd have a look in Akureyri, but before that, time to bathe. Been here for a while now. What are your thoughts?
It's really nice. It's really pretty.
Yeah.
The water's really blue.
Yeah, it feels weird, the water. It's like quite soapy. We paid 3,400 student ticket.
3,700 and then altogether it's 7,400.
Oh, fine. So 3,700 compared to what, 5,700? Yeah. Which is
really good.
Yeah, like £12. So it's mostly just warm water, different bits at different temperatures. It smells quite eggy, but it's not too bad. There's the showers over there, which are quite powerful. There's a bar over there you can get drinks at. There's some steam rooms which are pretty good, and just below those there's a sort of hot bath that's at 41 degrees. That's nice. And then you get this nice view. There is also another bath beyond this, but I'm not sure why no one's in it. I think that might be when they're very busy and it's not too bad today. Do you reckon it's worth the money?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I think so. I think especially if it was like very cold, it'd be nice. Like it's windy, so it's nice here. Yeah, it's cold when you get out, so it's nice being in. Yeah. Alright, cheers for watching the video, guys. If you're ever in North Iceland, check out Myvatn Nature Baths. It was really relaxing. The showers outside beat the stress out of you. The steam rooms were great, pretty cheap with a student discount. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and here's a little soundbite of Myvatn. Smells very eggy.